Okay, let's look on these sleepy cats. Oh, lovely couple. Let's open and take a look. Oh, oh, very, very sensitive cats with big eyes and different colors. They come here in this shelter from occupied territory. Now this territory is deoccupied, but before it was occupied from Bucha, Irpin. It's near Kiev, Kiev Oblast, and now they're living there. And after that, they will come to America, the USA, and these cats also from Bucha, from Irpin. This is territory near Kiev, and after that they will go to USA. So lovely, so funny. They want to touch, to contact with people, to spend time with us, to play. Very, very smart and clever, looking for a new home, for owners, and for lovely parents who will take care and play like with children. And this red big cat also will go to the USA, to new family, and will find new owners who will love him. Oh, look at this cat, very, very active and going on camera, playing and looking on us. Sleep